Units of measurement. So measurements represent quantities, and a quantity is something that has magnitude, size, or amount. Measurement does not equal quantity. So the teaspoon is a unit of measurement. Volume is a quantity. The choice of unit depends on the quantity being measured. So the SI measurement. Scientists all over the world have agreed on a single measurement system called Le Système International des Units, abbreviated SI. And there are 7 base units. Most other units are derived from these 7. So we see here the SI unit for length is the meter, mass is kilogram, temperature is Kelvin, time is second, amount of substance is mole. These last 2 we really won't use too much this year. Luminous intensity, candela, and electric current is ampere. So mass. Mass is a measure of the quantity of matter. We know this from the first couple of units. The SI standard unit for mass is the kilogram. Weight is a measure of the gravitational pull on matter. Mass does not depend on gravity. So I like to use the example if you're going to the moon. So your weight on the moon is 1/6 your mass on Earth. So your mass isn't going to change, but your weight's going to change. So if you weighed 180 pounds on Earth, what would you weigh on the moon? 30 pounds. Right? Once again, mass does not depend on gravity. So your mass is not going to change. So length is a measure of distance. The SI standard for length is the meter, right? Kilometers used for longer distances, centimeters used for shorter distances. Now some derived units, okay? Pressure is measured in kilograms per meters times seconds squared, or pascals. Okay, and we'll talk about these derived units a little more later on. And then volume. Volume is the amount of space occupied by an object. The derived SI unit in cubit is cubic meters, so meters cubed. The cubic centimeter, centimeters cubed, is often used. The liter L is a non-SI unit. Now, these are 3 derived units that are very important that we will use this year. So the first one, 1 liter is equal to 1,000 centimeters cubed. 1 milliliter is equal to 1 centimeter cubed, and 1 liter is equal to 1 decimeter cubed. Right? So these are very, very important. And this concludes our video on units of measure.